Hey, welcome to my channel. If you are new and if you're a returning subscriber, what's up, gang? It's your girl Bree, aka Be Breezy here. This video will be a get ready with me. We finna get lit tonight. Happy birthday, bride. I look crusty right now. We're gonna look 10 times better by the end, trust. Let's get into this video. So I have 20 questions, little fun facts that I'm gonna go over with y'all. We just gonna let my ADHD undiagnosed take its course and see where the conversation goes. First question. I grew up in an area called Clinton, Maryland. It's not said like that. It's said like Maryland. Kind of making fun of the accent. That's where I grew up. It's like a suburban area. So people used to, you know, ride bikes, go outside, play games. Everybody knew each other, like the parents and the kids. Yeah, that kind of vibe. So my favorite hobby, I done dipped my finger in it. I guess we don't need to use the cotton. My favorite hobby is probably between traveling, playing video games in my free time, YouTube. Let's see, what do I want to do? Samples that I've still haven't finished. The next topic is a hidden talent, and I low-key feel like I have a hidden talent. Two, one being that I can draw. In fact, I'll insert a picture. And two, being that your girl can like low-key sing. I ain't gonna hype it up too much, but I can definitely hit me a good note, honey. But because I don't consider myself a singer like that, I keep that to myself. So next up is NARS. What is next on the list? My motto, is a motto that I actually created myself. I don't know. Have I talked about why my channel is even called Be Breezy? IDK. But if I have, I'll just share it one last time. Basically, I thought of the name Be Breezy because, first of all, Bree. Okay. But like, if y'all know me, then y'all know I'm like a peaceful, chill, but fun, lit, like authentic, like real ass give about it kind of person. Goofy, you know, that's me, like in a nutshell. I'm a lot of things, and I try to be a good person to everybody, treat people with respect, treat people how I want to be treated, you know, like just be very, very caring to people. In short, Be Breezy is like all of that. One big thing I prioritize is peace. So I just felt like I want to tell my subscribers at the end of every video, like, don't forget that. Like, be chill, be calm, be you, be good, be all of those things. And now we're fanning the face. This might not be a full 20, y'all. We might have to go to 10 because I got some deep topics on here. So this one is about career background and how I am where I am today. So I worked a lot of jobs, y'all. We have NARS here again, and this is the concealer. One thing I learned from my parents, it was to get to the grind and get grizzy. Y'all, I started on my own idea. I think I was 14 years old, freaking cutting grass in my neighborhood, and I've had a lot of jobs since. And I joined the military. Oh, this is real old, y'all. This is real old. NYX from the beauty supply. Right now, I'm technically, like the technical term for my job is an independent contractor. And I'm in school to become a psychologist. Again, y'all heard a little bit about me and who I am as a person. Like, it just means so much to me. I've been a very helpful person, genuine person to all my friends and family and whoever I encountered. And it's really been natural for me to help people. So I want to do that, like, professionally. I think that would make me so happy. So now we're using the Huda Beauty setting powder in the shade Blondie. The next question is my favorite book. I used to read a lot when I was younger. I don't read a lot at this time in my life, except for my school books. I'd have to say my favorite book is one of my school books. LOL. That's so lame. That'd be enough reading for me at this point in my life. The next question. Okay, sharing a memorable traveling experience. I would have to say, and it really sucks, but it would have to be when I went to the Philippines. I feel like they had the best views there of nature. I really like nature. It's just the sad part is I lost my phone when I was out there and did not back it up. So all those memories are pretty much gone. I have like one Instagram picture inserts of when I went. It's not on my Instagram currently. So the next question is my pet peeves, and my number one pet peeve is a liar. It really blows me when people be lying, because I just feel like, why do you have to lie? I just try to live a very honest life, like, and then it makes it so easy not to have to lie. Like, if you can't be honest with somebody and they accept whatever you're being honest about, then 9 times out of 10, y'all wasn't supposed to be locked in, like, point blank period. I think I'm gonna stop there because of the fact that my phone keeps saying no storage. No, because I want to show y'all the rest of my makeup. I'm so sad. Fix your camera. Fix your camera. All the signs are there. Pep talk to self. But I'm going to literally put on eyelashes and lip gloss. BRB.
Put my little bros on diamonds.
O to the K. The lip combo is Random Beauty Supply shade brown lip liners, and then Fenty Beauty Heat. I do like to put on eyeliner under my eye. Okay, let me share another musical taste. I like all kinds of music. My dad is Jamaican. My mom is from Cali. I live in Maryland. I've traveled in the military, so I met all kind of people. I went to a HBCU. I'm not gonna call it a PWI because it's not called that, but now I go to a school where it is a lot of white people. I just feel like my musical taste is literally all over the place. Now we're gonna use Patrick Ta for face in the shade Oh She's Different. Oh, she's different. Put a little on my nose. Well, this is coming out pretty pigmented. I was gonna try to leave my face with no contour here, but I just feel like I have to. So let's spray my face to put an end to that with the Professional Super Setter. Last but not least, I'm going to do my edges, and then I'll come back.
But I might steal. She locked in my purse. I hope a hoe don't think I fight still.
My edges have been locked in ever since I've been using this product. This is the Basque Leather Edge Control Stronghold for natural and relaxed hair, and this can be bought from TikTok. Now it's time to do my fizzy fit. So this is the fit, just in case I don't like the other clip from the hallway lighting, but y'all was able to see me from head to toe though. Dress from Akira, dress hoodie, because it's a hood on the back. Shoes from Akira. It's literally my favorite store to shop from. Purse from Protect Black People. I'm always gonna wear the same 5 purses because I'm not that big of a purse fan. But I feel like I really ate with this one, you know? I was definitely thinking about wearing my JBW. All right, yes. I think this dresses it up so much. People gonna be like, girl, where you going to the club? No, I just like to look cute sometimes. You feel me? Oh, yeah, I'm gonna record a little bit. Yeah, because I hate when I watch it Get Ready With Me. I don't see them put the fit on. I hate when I watch it Get Ready With Me and they don't give me a glimpse of the night. So, you know your girl got you. Come on. Okay, cheers. Happy birthday. Y'all, between this Patron, whatever the heck, the shots I had in the car, this chocolate martini, I need to freaking eat. We got sour cream and ranch and a bacon stuffed potato. Birthday.
Can't even get it from there.